Hello, I'm Juliet Mica and I'm welcoming you to my channel where I normally share with you my resin art creations and some other life tidbits along the way throughout the year, but my main thing is resin art. And today I'm going to share with you a quick way on how to make these diamond hearts that you can use for wedding favors, a Mother's Day gift, a Valentine's Day gift, a birthday gift, I guess a gift for any season. It's quick and easy. What we'll need is this diamond silicone mold. They come in different colors, so don't worry, this is orange. If you have white, try get it because it will be easier to see the colors as you put them in. But this is what I have. We'll need some magnets. I have these round ceramic ones, these square ones, so whatever you have around you works as long as it can hold the weight, because we're going to use this as a fridge magnet, but you don't have to use it in that form. We're also using mica powders. We have a shade of pink, red, and orange. And for all the things I'm using, I'll link them in the description box below. We're using the Dazzling white mica powder. This is MEYSPRING, to mix together with our resin and our opaque paste to just give the brightness. And I normally, when I'm doing mica painting, I prefer to use makeup brush because it holds the mica powder and spreads it better. Imagine like putting makeup on a face. And the first thing we're going to do, because this is a quick one, we are going to paint with mica, with the mica powder. And I'm going to, because I want to use the same brush, because it doesn't matter if it blends a little because it needs to blend. I'm going to start with the lighter color, which the orange is lighter, as we go on this side. So let me show you how I do that. Very quick. And I'm trying to dab it randomly. I just need to make sure a bit of each color is represented. All right, so let me, all right, so let's go to the next color, which is the pink. Wow, the pink is bright, as you can see. So I'm trying to dab in a place that doesn't yet have the color. After this, I'm going to wear my protective gear and mix my resin. And the resin, I'm going to mix it up with white paste for pigment, white pigment paste. But I'm going to add in a Dazzling white mica powder so that even the spaces in between these that are going to miss, let's say this resin, you'll still see a nice shimmer through it. Okay. All right, and now our last color. A white silicone mold helps because you can see the colors better, even how they're laid out compared to like this orange. But sometimes you just work with what you have. I love how it's shining. I hope when it comes out and we demold, it will be as shiny as this. I'm going to pour out the excess powder so that it doesn't form, it doesn't have lumps of inside or dust, so that the bubbles don't form around it. And if you like my content and what I normally share with you, and you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next one. And to see more of these and different ways I use these hearts, for example, to see how I'm going to use this specifically for an upcoming wedding. I'm going to sort of do a wedding series. Please keep watching to show you the different things I've done with resin for this wedding. Follow me on Instagram because that's where I share some of these videos. I'm going to put my magnet now so that it sticks to our hearts, because it's a fridge magnet. If you just need it for something else, you don't have to do this step. Because the other option is to have it cured and then either do another layer and then put your magnet, which is an extra step, especially if you're doing this for business. The other thing is, if you do this and you use the the UV resin, so you just put a dot, put this, and then use UV on it. So to avoid that extra step of either doing another layer and then magnet or UV resin, now try to place the magnets. Mine are 2.5 millimeters, or that's like a 3/4 inch, but you can use big or small as long as you get the right strength. Okay. And remember, it's hard to remove magnets like this. The easier thing is to slip them on the side. They have cured and the magnet has stuck. So now it's to demold this, and we see how they look on the other side. I haven't seen them yet, so let's look together. I hope the colors have come out as brilliant as I'm hoping they will be. Okay, so just demold and put them here. Here they are. Let's see how they are on the other side. I'll turn them one by one. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. I love the bright color. Yay! That's how I wanted them to turn out. Just the colors. Yay! I think if I want them to have a deeper color, I think this time I won't turn out the color. You know, the way I removed the excess color, so that maybe it can be richer and deeper. But I love it. Look at this. Look at the shimmer, the brilliance. So all I'm going to do now is do some deburring. Just remove the corners like this all around, and then I'll put this on a metal surface on the fridge, but I think I'll use the storage here in this room and show you how it looks once it's fully done. So please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on such videos, and then so that you can see how I'll actually use this for wedding favors, how I'll package it. I'm looking forward to that unique way of doing it. So please follow me on Instagram at Juliet Megwe Inspires, because that's how I'll show you what I'm doing using this as a wedding favor. But I love them, I love them, I love them. And you can use them, remember, for Valentine's, for birthday, just as keepsakes in your home, just anything. If you don't have to put the magnet, or you can put the magnet. God bless you, Barakatele. We'll see you on the next one.